Good evening everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Manas from Hospitality Desk. If you have not subscribed my channel still now, please subscribe my channel. आपको सब्सक्राइब करने से मेरे को मोटिवेशन मिलता है और मैं ऐसे और अच्छा वीडियो आपके सामने लाने वाला हूँ. So kindly subscribe my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the classification of the beverages. In hospitality industry, in food and beverage services, the most beverage part depends on the classification of the beverage. If you know about the classification of beverage, you know 90% of the beverage. And always remember, food and beverage is food is 50 and beverage is 50 in your career. So you must know about the classification of beverage. So basically beverage दो तरीका का होता है. Beverage, two type of beverages there. One is alcoholic, which is contain alcohol. One is non-alcoholic, which is not contain any alcohol. So first we will see non-alcoholic beverage. So basically whatever we are drinking in our day without alcohol, that is non-alcoholic. All right. So you can say that non-alcoholic beverage is three type of is there. So we can see the non-alcoholic beverage. One is stimulating, one is refreshing, one is nourishing. So those three varieties of non-alcoholic beverages is there. So now you come to refreshing. The refreshing beverage is, aerated beverage and mineral water, and the stimulating beverage. So after drinking they will stimulate your bodies. So that's a stimulating beverage like, tea and coffee. And the nourishing. Nourishing means like hot milk, hot chocolate, Bonvita. We used to take it in our daily routine every day. So that's the nourishing beverages. So now we will see the alcoholic beverage. The alcoholic beverage, the beverage which contain alcohol. Whatever, we know that basically we used to say, okay, whiskey, beer, rum, gin, vodka, wine, lots of alcohol is there, but we don't know the classification. There is a process is called fermentation and distillation. So entire alcoholic beverages part is basically divided into two parts, like fermented and distilled. So these two type is there. So first we will see about fermented alcoholic beverage, which the process is fermentation, like beer, wine, perry and cider. These all four varieties alcohol used to be prepared by fermentation process. Later we will see what is the fermentation, what is the distillation. That we will go in my next video very deeply. And another is your distillation. Distilled process preparation alcohol called distilled alcohol, like whiskey, vodka, gin, rum and brandies and others. So basically this is the classification of the alcoholic, classification of the total beverages. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel and get more notification about those kind of learning hospitalities video. Thank you so much.